What if I told you that everything you've ever known, every star, every planet, every breath you've ever taken, exists inside a black hole, not beside it, not near it, inside it? And what if, outside that black hole, lies something beyond time, beyond light, beyond everything the human mind can comprehend? Tonight, we journey to the edge of reality to uncover what might be outside the black hole we live in. Part 1. The cosmic prison we call home. Black holes, the most terrifying and beautiful monsters in the universe. They don't just destroy, they consume. Even light cannot escape their pull. But here's the twist. Some scientists believe our entire universe might be inside one. Imagine this. A massive star in another universe collapses. Its gravity becomes unstoppable, crushing everything into a single, blinding point. That's how black holes form. But instead of ending there, what if that collapse was the beginning of something new? A new universe, expanding inside our universe. To an outsider, it's a black hole. To us, it's home. Part 2. The edge of everything. Every black hole has a boundary. The event horizon. It's not a surface. It's a point of no return. Once you cross it, there's no way back. If our universe really is inside a black hole, then the farthest edge of our cosmos, the point beyond which we can't see, might actually be that event horizon. Think about that. The edge of the universe isn't just far away. It's a cosmic wall. Beyond it lies nothing we can imagine. Time there doesn't flow like ours. It bends, stretches, and nearly stops. To anything beyond that boundary, our entire universe might look like a tiny glowing sphere, a spark of light floating in a vast, dark sea. Part 3. The parent universe. If we're inside a black hole, then outside must be something bigger, a parent universe. A place with its own stars, galaxies, and black holes, each one possibly giving birth to other universes inside them. A cosmic family tree, an endless chain of creation and collapse. Just imagine. In that parent universe, there could be intelligent life looking at one of their black holes, not knowing that inside it, there's another universe with life. Maybe they're looking at us right now, just as we're wondering about them. Part 4. The other side of time. Time is not what we think it is. As you approach a black hole, time slows down. From the outside, you'd appear frozen, forever hanging at the edge. But for you, inside the black hole, time feels completely normal. If we live inside a black hole, our normal time might be an illusion. To someone outside of our entire history, billions of years might last just a moment. One cosmic heartbeat, maybe our Big Bang, was the moment another universe watched its star collapse. Maybe their death was our birth. And someday, when our universe collapses, it'll become the beginning of another. Creation, destruction, rebirth, over and over again. Part 5. The science behind the mystery. This isn't just imagination. It's built on the very foundations of physics. Einstein's equations suggest that space and time can fold, twist, and even create new regions of reality. When a star collapses, it forms a singularity, a point where the laws of physics break down. But modern quantum theory challenges that. Instead of ending, that singularity could bounce, expanding into a brand new universe. To us, that bounce looked like the Big Bang. To something beyond, it was just a black hole forming. Our Big Bang wasn't the start of everything. It was just the start of our story. Part 6. What lies outside? So, what's outside the black hole we live in? Not space, not time, not even matter as we know it. Outside could be a higher dimension, a realm with physics beyond our comprehension. Our universe might be a thin membrane, a 4D bubble floating in a 5D or 6D space. And in that greater reality, there might be countless other universes, each born from a black hole, each with its own laws, its own time, its own story. A cosmic multiverse, an infinite ocean of creation. And if that's true, then maybe, just maybe, the question isn't what's outside the black hole, but who created the first one. Part 7. The infinite loop of existence. If every universe gives birth to another, then there may never have been a first. No beginning, no end. Just an eternal cycle of birth and rebirth. The universe isn't a single story. It's a library of infinite stories. And we are one tiny chapter in a book that never ends. Maybe we aren't supposed to escape our black hole. Maybe our purpose is to understand it, to ask questions that stretch the limits of reason, and to keep searching even when there are no answers. Because that's what makes us human. Curiosity is our light in the darkness. Maybe, somewhere far beyond our event horizon, other beings are asking the same question. What's outside the black hole we live in? And maybe, the moment we finally find that answer will be the moment we step beyond the limits of reality itself.